Mr. Shopkeeper!
Any toy.
Oh, toys!
New
He
burger.
got a burger!
Burger.
Is that a burger?
Soda.
Oh, he's got soda too. Wow.
What will delight you today, Cat? What do you want?
Damn. Dude, that's insane. Bro, I've been here since episode 1. What are you on about? Soldier 11.
I think he wants the burger.
What would delight my friend
The
the
burger.
most? Damn, that's a good question. What the? How? How did they? How would they find it? Damn! Let's go! Ooh, nice. 4 gold toys. Yo! His retirement! W! W! Dang, a burger! Nice! This is beautiful. This is really absolute cinema. This is absolute cinema. Yo, why is everyone right in front of the TV, dude? I can't see. Move away. No! It's the seagull! It's the evil seagull! He's back! No!
Get him, bird! Come on, bird! You got this, bird! Get him! Get him, bird!
Bird! Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Damn! No! That's what I'm saying, Lula Gamer Compañero. That's what I'm saying. Damn. No, my lord. Yo! When did King Vaughn become the director of the show, bro? When did Vaughn become the director? Genuinely, bro. insanity. What? Better than what? What? Real, bro. That's what I'm saying. SpongeBob fan. Oh my lord. Yeah, bro. I get it. Dude, this is so. Yeah. Everyone clap. Yeah. Yes, sir. Beat your bullies.
Oh my god, Invincible's here.
Oh yeah. Oh. Oh, the evil seagull. The evil seagull moved away. Damn. What?
Wait, guys, I have an idea.
What is
I have
Dragon
an
Conquest
idea.
on about, bro?
Mr. Shop.
What is Dragon Conquest on about? Stand ready for my
Mr.
ride.
Shopkeep moves away. Mr. Shopkeep moves away, guys. Peak cinema.
Mr. Shopkeep retires. Mr. Shop. Hey. W, bro.
Yo, what's up, time?
Yo, that was a W acting performance, bro.
That was tough.
Is every single person in the server like? Yeah, the rest of the server is like empty. Everyone is on here. Everyone is here. What?
Back up, guys. Back up.
Yeah. Back up.
Back up. Do you guys like my retirement? Did y'all like my retirement?
Especially this Soldier 11 guy who's moving.
Yo, Mr. Bill.
Tell your time.
Mr. Thrag, sir. Did you like my
Yes,
retirement?
sir. Mr. Thrag. Mr. Grand Marshal.
Not even gonna lie.
He's Mr. Grand Marshal.
Mr. Shopkeep would solo Thrag.
That real. Mr. Shopkeep with solo.
Nah, but
Bro,
William
he's
still solos.
Mr. Shopkeep, bro.
William
Mr.
solos
Shopkeep.
both. William will destroy both of them. Yo, Mr. Time, what's this guy on about, bro?
That's what I'm saying, bro. Real, Mr. Shopkeeper low diffs, bro. No, negatives, bro. Negative difference. Real. Spin off of just Mr. Shopkeeper would go hard, bro.
Well, this is your former President Barack Obama, and I just want to tell you I know how to beatbox.
Oh, it's Barack Obama! Barack Obama!
Barack Obama!
We love you, Barack Obama! We love you, Obama!
Bird and cat! Please make episode 4 about the president! Bird and cat, make episode 4 about the president! Please! Make it about, like, a fake president, like President Sigma or something. And he rules cat and birdland or something. Make it about that, trust. And they talk about how money works. We need the money. We need the economy to work.
Yes, bro.
I feel I was very honored with my.
Sigma respect. Mongoose, 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 mongoose,
Hey,
mongoose,
I'm excited.
mongoose,
I
like
am
what?
excited.
Mango, 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 mango.
I
Down,
am
down,
excited.
down,
Woo!
down.
Woo! Woo! Whoa! Woo!
Oh, I'm sipping this cola.
Woo! Woo!
I'm sipping your cola right now.
Woo! Woo!
What do you
Please,
mean?
please put me back on the show. That was my own. That's how I made my money. I'm poor now, please. I'm poor. I need my income back. I need my income back, please, Cat. Give me my paycheck.
That's
Please
right,
give me my
bro. He
paycheck.
needs a paycheck. He needs a paycheck.
Miss Bird, please give me my paycheck. I need my 2 week. No, they just ran away, bro.
I'm about to blow.
I'm about to blow.
I'm gonna blow. I think episode 1 was like was like yeah, that's what I was about to say. What if episode 1 actually took place at the very end, you know, like and then they went back to the very start to like show what led up to that point. Yeah, right. That's what I'm saying, bro. It'd get like 10 out of 10 on IMDb. 10 out of 10. I have a microphone out. Oh, bro, that's a torch. Oh, right. Yes, bro, we gotta ask them. We gotta ask them. Oh, it's starting. His family. What happened to his family? Aww. Bro, episode 1 was the craziest lore drop. Episode 1 was the craziest lore. Genuinely. Damn, Jacob, that's crazy. Damn.
I think you mean Q&A.
Yeah, so there has to be some hidden meanings in episode 1 because I just like completely like got rid of it. I think it's just some like go into the past and then you know what I mean. Episode 1 was like the very end, and then episode 2 was the very start. That's what I'm saying, bro. Oh shit. No, Roblox, please don't ban me. Please, Roblox. That's what I'm saying. I mean, Cat. Here's my theory. Cat secretly hates a bird, right? And in episode 1, it was actually the end of the series, and what happened was Cat had his last straw, and shik, bird, and then when bird became a ghost, he turned back time, so that now this is the start of the very series, and both of them don't even know it. Hold up. This is the past, and they don't even know it. Insane lore theory. Yes, bro. This might be insane lore. Okay. Yeah. Right. Right. Yeah. Right. Yeah. So now he seek revenge, and Cat was like, oh well, they're still my best friend, so they didn't really do it. But that was until the joke incident happened, where Bird was like, oh, I hate your joke, and then Cat had their last straw, and then killed Bird, and then Bird became a ghost, and then the ghost turned back time all the way back to the start of it all. This is insane theory. Insane theory. This is and it's just like a time loop. This is an insane theory, bro. This is an insane theory. Right. Mhm. Yeah. Right. Yes, this might be symbolizing something. LeBron shows up in episode 4. Oh damn. Yes, Gert, that's right. Both of us are cooking, bro. We're like the lore guys, bro. We're like cat and bird theory, bro. We're like cat and bird theory. Bird might be eating bird. Bird might be eating bird right now, bro. No, it's a different species of bird, because that's a dodo, and what he's having is chicken. So it's not cannibalism. Bird can also do it. Bird can also. Yeah. Oh! Damn! Yeah. The viewers are the manifestation of Cat's delirium. That's what this guy just said. And what if? Yeah. Join. Get in here, bro. Get in the lore team, bro. Get in the lore team. Us three, bro. Us three. Yeah. We're totally gonna interview them after this episode. Yeah. An experiment like Truman Show. That's a good theory. Right, but this is just like a TV show though. If it was the Truman Show, then the background would be 3D because it's real life. But it's just a drawing. Right. Maybe he knows that it's a time loop and he wants to get out. Oh damn! This is some crazy lore. Yeah, right. Okay. No! That's insane. That's an insane theory. Bro, I can't wait to interview these directors, dude. Cannot wait to interview the actors. What? No, Cat probably isn't evil. He's just like insane. You know what I mean? Yeah. Wait, maybe Cat like has no family because they came from like a mental asylum, and you know, like they escaped from the mental asylum, right? Flamingo! There's a flamingo! Yep, next episode the flamingo and turtle. Yo, we're gonna get new characters in the next episode. We're gonna get new characters. Massive lore developments, bro. Massive lore developments. Actually. Oh. Cliffhanger, bro. We gotta do a cliffhanger. We gotta do a cliffhanger. Damn. This is like children's TV show disguised in like insane lore. Okay. Yeah. Damn. Damn. What episode does Pigeon show up? I don't know. Yeah, no leaks. Yeah, no leaks. Who's that? Oh, it's a new person. Damn. That would be crazy, Mr. Glocknut. That'd be crazy. Okay, intermission! Yeah, bro.
Shut up, Diva.
Ooh, okay. Yo, the episode isn't even the numbers anymore. It's just the word 4 and then period. Something's happening.
Guys, I'm scared. What's gonna happen?
Yeah,
My bad,
please, Smalls, step back. You two, Sir Pan 3KE by T.
Oh my god! Jigsaw!
Oh no. Oh.
This is a really weird Alan Wake 2 cutscene.
Damn.
God,
Oh.
is this the end of the show?
Okay.
Oh.
Why Dodo repeat this 3 times? Is there some sort of cryptic message?
Yo! Oh my god!
Oh no.
What is happening?
What is this lore? What is this
Oh,
lore?
oh,
What is this
guys.
lore? What is this lore? Yo, can everyone move away?
Oh my god! Oh, I'm scared.
Damn. This is insane. Hold on, this is insane. Hold on. Okay, crazy lore. I think episode one is like, so they've got trauma, right? And then that's what I was about to say. What takes place at the very end, like OMG Quiet Angel. OMG Quiet Angel's theory might be right. It might just be right. Eagle, bro! Eagle, get away! It'll get like 10 out of 10 on IMDb. Eagle!
Support the train.
Eagle, move! Yo, can everyone move, bro? I have a microphone now. Oh, bro, that's a torch.
Oh my god.
Yes, bro. We gotta ask him. We gotta ask
Oh
him.
my
We gotta
god.
ask him. Oh yeah, bro. It's starting. His family.
Oh my god.
Damn. Bro, episode 1 was the craziest lore drop. Episode 1 was the craziest lore. Genuinely. Damn, Jacob, that's crazy. Yo, OMG Kawaii Angel's theory is true. Damn. Damn. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I think you mean Q&A.
Yeah. The cat trauma
Yeah,
theory
so-
is true.
So there has to be
It is
some
true.
hidden meaning. to episode
OMG
one.
Kawaii
God.
Angel, get on the lore team.
Completely,
Get on
like,
the team.
got rid of it.
Get on the team
I think
now.
it's just some like go into the past and then you know what I mean. Episode one was like the very end, and then episode 2 was the very start.
But
That's what I'm saying, bro.
oh my god!
Cat was a villain. No, Robust, please don't blame me. Please, hold on. Cat was a villain, but the show we're getting is a dream. Oh my god.
Dude, this seems so crazy.
Oh.
Who is this about?
Oh, okay,
What's this
okay.
about? What's the story of? Come on stage. What?
Dude,
Who? Cat!
Cat.
Could you cat? Cat, why?
It's the
Why,
chicken.
Cat, why?
The chicken. The chicken.
Cat, how could you, Cat?
Cat.
I trusted you, Cat. I was.
Bro. I've been here since episode 1, dude. This lore is insane.
Oh my god.
Oh my! Someone pass me the popcorn. Someone pass me the popcorn. Oh no!
No, no, no.
No, hey.
No!
Hey.
No!
Hey. This show might not be PG, guys. This might not be PG.
Oh my god.
Oh, Lula Gamer! That's crazy. Crazy theory.
Hold on, guys. Technical difficulties.
Damn.
Don't say that.
No,
Don't
he
No, no,
already is
no
part
way.
of the lore team.
I really hope
We are-
Dodo doesn't
we are
die.
all
I've been a fan
equal.
of Dodo since episode 1.
Yeah. OMG,
No,
Kawaii
no.
Angel, me, Traffic Cone, and Lula Gamer are all part of the lore team.
Dodo! Can someone wrap me up to the date, or like wrap me up with the story? Because I'm going into this like brand new.
I'm about to do it on you. Oh, it's gonna be so nice when I'm doing all over you.
Or was it the start?
And Dodo,
Let's be
what?
real. What if that whole thing was a dream? Episode
Wait,
1 was a
Cat
dream,
killed Dodo?
and Bird was like scared that Cat might betray
Wait.
them.
So is this Dodo's perspective as a ghost, or was this like before Dodo got killed?
Damn.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
Cat, how could you, Cat? Cat, why, Cat? Why?
What if
No, bro, it is not Yuri. It is not Yuri. Get out of here. 2017 is the worst. You are not going in the lore team. Get out. Get out. That's what I'm saying, Gert. What is this man on about? No, bro. Get rid of that sign.
How could you? How could you? This is breaking my heart. Oh no.
Exactly.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Pause, pause. Guys,
Damn.
everybody,
Come on,
everybody.
come on. Shh. Let's see what happens.
Damn.
Oh my god.
Bro, can 2017 stop, bro? You are not going in the lore team, dude. You are not going in the lore team.
Are they hugging?
Damn, they're hugging. They're hugging.
We're hugging.
Oh,
Yeah, they're-
round of applause.
Aw.
Round of applause. This
Aw.
is beautiful. This is. Yeah, it was Dona's fan. This is beautiful.
Yeah. Right.
It's beautiful.
Dude! It isn't Yuri.
Dude, how is this even Yuri, dude? Like, come on.
It isn't.
This is amazing. This is better writing than I've ever seen. But what is the show? Yeah, this show is amazing. Okay, round of applause. Round of applause.
Damn.
Woo, that was beautiful.
Damn.
Bravo. Bravo.
Bird, can I interview
That was
you?
beautiful. Can I have your autograph? Can I have your autograph?
Can I interview you on the show? Yeah, he's a librarian. He's a librarian. Okay, we're in a couch. What? Ooh. Yes, bro. It's gotta mean something. We gotta think about the shift, right? Because before it was from episode 1 to 3, it was all like fun and games, right? But now it's like actually serious. Now it's actually serious.
What is going on?
Yeah, please. Yeah. Or you can just stay. Whatever.
Wait, what did I get blocked for?
Yeah. Right.
Bro, shut up. We're trying to watch.
Yeah. Yeah, but you know. But you know, the fun about theories isn't really having them be true. It's more about making them in the first place. Right? What? But I'm not real, cat? What? Oh. 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 Whoa! That's the episode 1 background! That's episode 1 background.
The real theories where the friends are get out.
That's the oh. Yo. No.
Bro, this is Roblox Bird and Cat. What the hell?
Bro, it's absolute cinema. So Dodo isn't real. What could this mean? What could this mean? Yeah. That's what I'm saying.
Hold on, why am I actually invested?
Bro, I've been invested since episode 1.
Bro, how long has
Yeah.
this been going on?
For like an hour.
An hour.
People have been sitting here for an hour.
Dude, it's peak.
I don't know if
Well,
bro,
450 IK has been here since episode 2, so
Oh wow.
yeah. It'll only be remembered by a stop. Who?
You in specific.
How is this my
Oh, okay,
neighbor?
okay. Chicken.
Blocked and blacklisted chicken. Oh wait, the freaking.
Oh my god.
The goose.
It's just stop Dodo.
Yeah. Yeah, right. Okay. I'm just gonna mute
Enchanted, bro, you're
everyone
not
that's
Sigma,
doing
bro.
soundboards.
Oh my god, I see the chicken.
Yeah, he's getting muted. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Mhm.
I want to go look at the other booths, but I'm too invested.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah. Yeah. There's no point. Bro.
Okay, I'm gonna be back.
Oh.
I'm back. Literally don't know.
Oh. Yeah, dude. The fact that this is the episode 1 background cannot be like, you know, coincidence. Yeah. That's what I'm saying. It can't be coincidence.
Okay, wait, can someone explain to me what has happened in like past episodes and stuff?
I'm not even gonna try to explain right now because the lore is like so deep. Right.
How do I turn on my volume now? I need to turn this up. Really deeper.
What is this? What happened? Right. Dude, this is insane. The lore? Yeah, get out! Off! Off! Off the stage!
Thank you.
Damn.
Woo.
Yeah. Ah. The
It's
lore was
fine
keeping me
for a full
invested though.
episode.
This guy doesn't even know what happened in episode 4. That's crazy. Nah, man. That's crazy. That's what I'm saying. Okay. Okay. I think this is excluding the people who are recording.
Stop beating the sword. God.
Oh my gosh, cat walked off. Cat's in the world. Cat's going on an adventure.
This is the biggest audience we've had so far. Damn.
I'm gonna friend Cat, bro. I need to go every time, bro.
Yeah, I also gave Cat a friend request, but
Let me also hit that round boy. I need to.
they did not accept. Yes.
Cat friended me. Cat friended me. Don't worry. You can always join.
Damn. But Cat didn't friend me.
No, you can always join off me, bro.
Oh, everyone followed me. They said.
Everyone follow. Follow Dodo. Follow Dodo. Dodo.
All right.
Can we see a Dodo?
Lore team assemble.
Wait. Can we see a Cat and Dodo movie? and
Theorists
you guys, like, walk
assemble.
around the
Theorists
world?
assemble.
That'd be so fun.
Theorists assemble.
Like, it's like you guys are like in a movie and like you walk around the world, like you explore. Cat, hear me out. Cat and Dodo. Okay, Cat and Dodo in the world, and it's like a movie. You exit the TV. You exit the TV and you walk around the place, and that would be tough. That would be so tough.
Damn.
I can't find you, so I can't find you to friend you.
Hold up. Wait. Dodo. I have a question. Hold up.
Wait, Dodo, friend me, Dodo. Dodo, friend me.
Oh, I see. Well, no, I mean like the font switch, like.
Line up.
I'm gonna friend Dodo, bro. I'm gonna friend Dodo.
Yo, time. Stay with the theorists. Theorists stick together.
Yeah.
Theorists stick together.
Yeah.
Luca, time. Where's the other one, bro? Oh.
I think they left.
No. OMG's quiet. OMG, quiet is behind us. Let's go. All theorists are together.
Oh, nice.
450's with us as well. 450 is now a theorist.
Really? Oh, well, yeah.
450 archive, so it counts. It counts. Tree Man, don't worry. 450 still has the recording, so you can always get it from bro.
Yeah.
Banana guy, who's that? Move it, buddy.
Try me.
You're
Bro,
so
not
freaking
tough.
tough.
You're
Bro,
not
the
tough,
entire
dude.
server.
You're not tough.
Yeah, the entire server, dude.
Boo! Throw tomatoes!
Idiot.
Go
Tomatoes,
away, bro.
boo!
Get a real one.
Boo!
Bro, go away.
This guy's a
Get
cornball,
gone.
bro. This guy's a cornball.
Cornball.
Yeah, you're in the frame. You're in the frame.
Bro, you're showerless, bro. You are
This
showerless.
actual cornball.
This guy's showerless.
That's what I'm saying.
OMG Kawhi is tough. Banana, you are
Ugh.
not tough.
Oh my god. Oh,
Yeah,
I'm
but
so
this guy's
scared.
not tough.
He's so
This guy's not
scary,
tough.
everybody.
That's what
Oh my
I'm saying,
God.
Federal Agent. That's what I'm saying.
He's so scary.
This guy's just desperate.
So scary. Oh my god.
Yeah.
So scary. Alright, let's go. Oh, I also got a photo as well. I also got a photo. I've been taking screenshots.
Hold up, wait. Can we get in? Can we get a photo with the lore team? Hold up.
Yeah, lore team.
Everyone.
Lore
Yeah,
team,
come here,
get
come
back
here,
here,
come
lore team. Lore team.
Lore team, come here. Yes,
Lore
yes,
team, take
sir.
a picture. This is lore team.
Hold up,
Alright, let me get a screen.
let's assemble.
Line up, line up.
Assemble. Oh, right,
We can miss a bit of an episode.
right here.
Dodo, yes, Dodo, please
Oh
join
yes,
the lore
Dodo,
team.
Dodo.
Dodo is now in the lore team.
You can be in the
And
middle.
450. Oh my gosh, bro.
What's this man doing here?
Yeah, get out of here, buddy.
Retro Max, you are not with the lore team.
Wait, I took the wrong screenshot. I need to retake that.
Alright. I took a screenshot.
I got one. Wait, do you have a? Nah, I can always get it from you later. I was gonna ask for a blue application known as Discord.
Oh wait.
You have it?
I'm also sending it right now too.
Wait, do you have it?
In my own server. Yeah, I do. I do, bro.
Oh, what is it?
Let me DM you it.
Okay, I was unmuting someone. What?
Nothing, man.
Nah, I'm DMing him on Discord so I can get the photo.
Yeah.
I'm.
You can
Capital
say
T
Discord
traffic.
in voice chat.
Oh, it's that time. All right. I'm not in the server, by the way. I didn't get banned. It's just I didn't want to be in it. So, yeah. I sent it. I'm traffic going.
I sent the image in my own personal server, but
Alright, you
I'll
ready?
also send you it. Hold up. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can we actually report him and actually get him banned? God.
Lore team photo. All right. That
Bro,
round boy.
this-
If you have a. This
Exactly,
is
we
my
just
reaction.
start mass reporting this banana guy until
That's
he gets
right.
banned.
That's right. That's
Oh
right.
yes, photo with the special group. Dodo,
Bro.
get in this.
OMG Quiet Angel, why are you behind them, bro? Get
Yeah,
in the
Dodo.
shot. Get
Bro.
in the shot.
Candy, please move, Candy. Candy, this
Yeah.
is a special photo.
Yeah, Candy, move
Candy, it's a special photo. All right,
away.
thank you.
Look forward. Okay.
I got it. I got it. I got one. Let me get another.
So did I.
I'm getting another. All right,
There we
let
go.
me. Yes, I got one.
There we go.
Ooh, this one's even tougher.
So tough. W. All right.
W.
Yes,
Wait,
sir.
Wait, do you guys have a dis? Do you guys have Discord or not?
Yeah,
Like, Cat
you can
and
say
Dodo.
Discord on voice chat. You can
Yeah.
say it.
Do you guys have Discord or not?
Oxafine. All right. Let me add you.
All right, let me friend you.
There we go. Wolf of Sonder 59.
Wolf of Sonder.
All right.